So I want to show you guys a little bit about my garden here. What I've done is I repurposed an old dog pen. One side of it, and I'm using that for, it's going to be for my beans. I've also repurposed some blocks as my planters. And this spot gets a lot of sun during the day, so these beans should do really well here. Now over here, what I've done is I've got some raised beds that I bought a couple years ago, and they work out really well. But I have some onions growing here, and I have some zucchini here, and over there I have some watermelons. And again, I've repurposed the cement blocks for planters for my cucumbers. Then I have my tomatoes. And I have some peppers there. This wire fencing that you see around my garden, that's also a repurposed dog pen. It makes a good barrier, so the dogs can't get in there. And you can see it just opens just like so. Really easy to get in and out. Okay, you want to get out of there. Let's go. This way. Good boy. And right here, I planted it's an apricot tree. It's got 3 different kinds of apricots. I thought that was really cool, so I'm excited. Can't wait to see what kind of apricots I get on there. Should be interesting. This is my lemon tree. Now every year I get a whole lot of lemons on there. Great for cooking. I generally just give them away. People just love them. Now this is my orange tree. And oh golly, last year I had hundreds of orange trees. It's a dwarf. It's a dwarfed orange tree, and I had hundreds of oranges on there. This did really well. Here I have my Fuji apple tree. It was supposed to be a dwarf, but it's not a dwarf. It's pretty tall. And I have my gala. Then down there, I have my golden. And then way in the corner over there, I have another Fuji. Yes, you are a pain in the butt. Yes, you are. You're a little brat. Yes, you are. Don't tell me no.